Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cynthia and I thank you for clicking on this video. And yet again, of course, we have another haul. I have a question for you guys. Okay, don't get too worried, but I have to ask. Are there any of my subscribers that's a lawyer? Because I think I'm gonna need one. I'm going to need to get a divorce from Bath and Body Works. Yeah, don't get scared. I need a divorce from Bath and Body Works because I can't seem to stay away and it is such a bad relationship. In this relationship, I think I'm the stalker. So Bath and Body Works, if you guys can get a restraining order on me, please do, because I can't seem to stay away. Yeah, that is me. I am the stalker of Bath and Body Works every single day. I am at the store and you guys know it's become a bit of a problem. Yeah. But I don't think I bought too much this time around. And I know a lot of you guys are going to be happy with what you see in here. I have something so fun in here. In fact, let's start with that. So I have two brand new candles. I'm going to show you the brand new candles because I got another candle for 75% off. And oh my goodness, I got my hands on this other candle. They don't have the last one I'm looking for, but look at, we have Wicked Apple. Yes, Wicked Apple. Yeah, yummy, right? This is the good one that I had been looking for even more than the other ones. I really wanted this one because of the apple scent and the caramel. I really love sweet scents. Now, before I forget, I know I really do forget every single time. The one I'm burning back here, it is the pineapple pound cake. And I know I told you guys, but I've been too busy, that I was going to do a review on this one and even the toasted coconut. But we have a friend, I call her my friend, Miss So Delish. I'm going to refer you to her channel. I'm going to try my best to not forget and link her to reviews. She has this one reviewed and I totally agree with her. I didn't know exactly where that sour note for that candle was coming from, but she explained it so well. Funny thing is that when she explained this candle, I watched your video, Miss So Delish. Yeah. You said it reminded you of the pineapple upside down cake. Exactly what it reminded me of, because I've never honestly smelled a pineapple upside or a pineapple pound cake. I've never smelled that. So, but I have had a pineapple upside down cake. And when I burnt this candle, that is exactly what it reminded me of. Now on Cold Sniff, I know a lot of people are put off on this candle right here. I was like, this is like rotten pineapple or something. I couldn't explain like what I was smelling, but I didn't like it. And I was like, I'm gonna just get it so I can review it. It's actually not so bad, you know, it's actually pretty good. I really like it. So it's one of those that on Cold Sniff was, in my opinion, awful for me. And I know a lot of people are saying that, but when you burn it, it's not bad. So yeah, actually my son Alex really loves this one. But yeah, so go to her channel, check those reviews out. I'm going to link them down below because I honestly don't have time right now. You guys know I've been going in store. That's a job in itself. And I've been doing the hauls of what I buy and then the store walkthroughs. So we're just going to go support Miss So Delish on her reviews on these candles because I do agree on what she said on both. That is why we're going to do that. Okay, friends? All right, then. Let's continue with my haul. Sorry for that little break in there, but I didn't want to forget to let you guys know to check her out. We have, like I said, Wicked Apple. And let's give you the notes. I'm going to try to post a picture if I don't forget here when I'm reading the notes. Ghostly green apple, creepy caramel drizzle, vicious vanilla bean. Here we go with the way they describe it, right? Because they put the ghostly in there for the green apple. Then the caramel drizzle is creepy. I love the way they do it to get us in the spirit of Halloween. And the vicious vanilla bean. This candle smells so sweet and delicious to me. When I smelled it, actually when I smelled the wallflower in the store. Hey Clarissa, hi. She let me smell the wallflower, one of my favorite associates. All of you guys in there are. She let me smell it and wow, the sweetness right away, it reminded me of the caramel apples at the, you know, when you go to the carnival or the fair and they sell you the caramel apples and stuff. That's what it reminded me right away. And then she said it reminded her of, you know, those candies, like those push pops, I think. I can't remember if that's exactly the one you described, but it just is, it's just so sweet that it reminds you of a candy or something, you know, apple candy, caramel. It's just so delicious. On cold sniff, I am loving this candle. I am totally smelling the green apple. The caramel note makes it so sweet and delicious, to me at least. I told you guys when I smell these, like it makes me want to take a bite out of it. Like I am craving a covered, you know, one of those green apples right now with the caramel on it. That's what I'm craving. And then the vanilla bean, it's, you don't smell it so much, but it is in there. I do detect it, but more so for sure the caramel in here and the apple. That is what I detect in here. This is just so yummy. And look at the beauty. Now you see the ghost on here and the apples right here. Now it does say on here scented luminary candle. So yeah, it illuminates once you like turn it on. So it is beautiful. It is such a beauty. You guys get your hands on these, I would say, as soon as possible, because I feel like these Halloween candles do sell out. And so that is why I am on the hunt for them, more so honestly for myself and to be able to have it and keep it than to you know, just because of the channel. Of course, you guys love seeing it and all of that, but I really want these candles, and I know a lot of you want these candles, and you don't even do like the YouTube thing or show it or anything like that, but you want it. So get your hands as soon as you can. In fact, today is the last day of the $10 off. What I suggest to you is, if they don't have it in store, buy an extra candle or 4 if you're gonna get all 4. Maybe of a candle that they sell a lot of, and that, you know, it's not bad if you go back and exchange it. Don't burn them. Obviously, keep them new. Keep your receipt. And then when these candles come out, you can swap it. That's what I suggest. Even maybe get one of the new fall candles and you can just swap it. And that way you get it for the $10 off. That's my idea, my suggestion that I give to you guys, because I was able to get that one for $10 off, okay? So we have the lavender bergamot. I told you guys, I know my lighting, I'm going to start doing like pictures instead, because my lighting, I'm not sure exactly how to work it, but it has the scent notes here and it has it on the bottom. I'll take a picture. I'll make sure that you guys can see the front and you guys can see the bottom as well. But it has bright lavender, love that note, bold bergamot and zest, and warm tonka bean. So this one right here, again, it does smell like all those 3 notes. And to me, I feel like it could have been named more like an aromatherapy, because lavender and bergamot, we know, like in the aromatherapy line, they have like the lavender scent and they have like the bergamot chamomile, I think it is. Either way, like these put together, I know it's a brand new one. Like I don't think they had this one before, but it smells so good. This is how I'm going to just, so I can smell the lavender. I smell the lavender and the bergamot. I think the bergamot is a stronger note in here than the lavender, but they both combine very well in here, and you can detect it if you know what both notes smell like. And then the vanilla, what the vanilla does, and I've said it before many times, vanilla brings the scent down, like meaning, how do I explain it? Like making it smoother, making it like a lighter scent instead of such a strong, pungent scent. I would say vanilla makes it lighter. So it brings it, this candle is strong enough, but not too strong because of the vanilla. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't smell the vanilla in here as much either. It's just because I feel like that's what it did. Like it basically brought those two together, the lavender and the bergamot, and mixed them well in there together. That's how I feel about it. Oh, and I want to burn this one in my room tonight. Like I literally, that's what I want to do. Like it's gonna calm. Lavender really does calm me. I feel like when I smell lavender, like I don't know, I just feel like this calmness. And actually I love just lighting my candles and just doing that in itself. It makes me so happy and calm. So yes, these are some that I'm gonna use. This one, I don't think, unless I buy another one, which, you know, I've been buying too much. Unless I buy another one, I don't think I'm gonna burn it all the way through, but I'm obviously going to use it, you know, to see the throw and all of that for you guys. And then this one as well. This one I plan on using tonight, so definitely I can tell you guys about it. But let me update something. I don't think I want to be more like a candle review kind of channel. Like, that's not what I want to do. I just want to be able to enjoy my candles, buy exactly like what I really want instead of just for review and all of that. Which I did buy that one and I gave it a chance. So that was good because you know what? It's actually not bad, you know? And I wouldn't have gave that one a chance if I didn't think about the channel. But I want to say, I guess what I want to say is like, I'm not going to be able to keep up to date with all the candles. There's always so much coming and so much going and all of that, that it's just like, I just want to be able to buy what I want, not what I'm being asked to buy. I don't know if I'm putting that right. Let me just keep going. Now, I also picked up champagne toast in this faceted collection. I think I had told you this was the last one that they have now. I know there's another faceted one that was in last sass being sold, the rose water and ivy. I don't have that one, which is fine, but from the current collections that they have, I bought this one. Yesterday they were like $5.50, so I was like, let me just get it because I've been wanting that one for the packaging, and I really do love champagne toast. Bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, juicy tangerine. I know I just wanted to do that quickly. But yeah, I got this one, which I really wanted. I wanted to add that to my collection. That's all that I bought in store today. These two candles, basically these two candles. And then this one here. Let me go into the bag that I bought at the other store. The store that everything was wiped out. When I walked in, I guess a reseller had just wiped them out of all of their 75% off, like the table that when you first walk in, everything was gone. So one of the associates, hey Aubrey, she was just like refilling like soaps. I think they were trying to figure out what to put there to, you know, fill it with something. But yeah, she was just trying to refill soaps right there at that table. But this is what I got at that table from what was left, because they were left with such a small cart now. That's all they have. I don't know if they'll be getting anything else. I don't know what'll be there tomorrow, but when I go in store, I will show you guys. So yeah, they had just like a small little cart of the tiny amount of things that was left there. And I got a firecracker pop. This one is for me because I know, like I told you, I have bought one for a friend, or two for a friend. Such a delicious cherry scent. I like this one, so I was like, let me get it now that I see that they have another one. They had a lot more of the Sunwash citrus, but I already have one of those, maybe even two. No, one. Oh, and I don't need that one. And I saw this faceted collection, the Black Cherry Merlot. I have both the lotion, the body cream, and the fragrance mist, which I love. I love this scent. And I just decided to get it in this since it's 75% off. It smells so good to me. This one, it doesn't have the notes. It's funny because these don't have the notes, but yeah, we know it has like black cherry or cherry. And then I just decided, you guys know I love pocket bags, right? These were half off. So this was like 97 cents, I believe. And yeah, Island Margarita. That is all that I got at that store today at the second stop. And it was just a total of $8.85. So that's all there. And then you guys know the candles were $10 off, right? I told you that. Then actually this other bag I have bought, I showed you in the other walkthrough that I had picked up these two, which was yesterday. I didn't go in store, but I posted from the previous day. So Saturday, look, as I was walking out, and again, I know the lighting, how do we do it? Anyways, Twinkling Nights. Twinkling Nights is what I was able to pick up. You guys know I love this scent. I saw it. I mean, it was the only one there, and the manager said, I think somebody just returned it or something. I don't know why. It's such a good scent, and I love it. So, yeah. Frosted jasmine petals with vanilla and mandarin blossom. Ooh, this is so good. I'm happy. So, that's what I got. The body wash for the Twinkling Nights and the fragrance mist. And then I decided to get a backup of this Hero because I saw it for 75% off. I know I picked it up for like more before, $5.95 before the sale. bought it for him, and he really likes it. So I thought, let me just go ahead and get a backup because it was $3 and some change. That is all that I have for you guys as a haul. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this little haul here, and I hope that you guys will go check out Miss So Delish for what I was saying, the reviews, that I'm just gonna go ahead and agree with her, because I totally smelled the same thing as far, you know, as this pineapple one, and then she described that toasted coconut one so well, which I love. I love coconut scents, so that's one I recommend as well, because I love coconut scents. That is all I have, friends. I will see you guys until the next one. I will be in store tomorrow. We will see what they have at these two stores, and well, stay blessed, my friends. I love you guys. Bye.